check if front camera will even be better. Oh shit, looks like no. It's clear.
Mika, when be SCD tomorrow? When be SCD tomorrow? 8.
Okay now.
I mean, say now 205 first.
Okay. Can we see the board? Those who are already online, can we see the board? Hello, can we see the board? Answer me, please. Ṣé mo lock ṣáàtì ni àbí? Okay, all right.
So what we are going to do first, and the reason for this topic is for the sake of integration, you have to be very grounded in trigonometry proof. You have to be very grounded in trigonometry proof for the sake of integration, because we have some kind of integration that without the knowledge of trig, you might not be able to break them down. And except that, it's even a topic in the course, of which can even ask a question in it to prove that this is equal to this. Same thing with Math 101. And I believe that everyone that are doing 102, you're also doing 101. So because I also had a person that they taught you trigonometry 101. Even without hearing that, the fact that they gave us an assignment. So it's a sign. No, it's a sign that something likely might come in your exam, like trigonometric proof. So that's also why we have to do it. So I have about 37 questions here based on trig proof, of which if time permits, we might solve everything before we move to calculus. So let's start with the first question. I'll just write the first thing so I can give the phone to the owner before we continue. So question 1, we have proved that tan x, sin x, all these are basic, plus cos x equals to sec x. Question 2, we have show that 1 over tan x plus tan x equals to 1 over sin x cos what? Cos x. And the third one, we have sin x minus sin x minus sin x cos square x equals to sin x. So this is the first three questions, and you will still enjoy this one. These are just basic, like these are just very basic. So it's something that you are going to enjoy, but as we move on, you may begin not to enjoy it. So, but for now, you will still enjoy it, I can promise you. So now the solution. You don't have to be wasting our time on beating around the bush. That's why I'm just moving directly to what is necessary. So now the first question we have to show that this side, because there are times that you leave one side alone, you don't bother yourself about that. There are times that you focus on the right side alone because it is more easier to turn it to the left. There are times that you focus on the left. But for this three question, our focus is on the left side because for us to break this guy to this is going to be difficult. But for us to change this to this, it is more easier than changing this sec x to this. Because as you begin to solve sec x, you can be getting a lot of things. So it's easier to turn this to this. Now, for tan x plus cos x, so the first thing we are going to do, what's an identity for tan x? You know, it's equals to what? Sin x over what? Over cos x. Then multiply by what? Sin x, right? Plus what? Cos x. Let's just, this is the left hand side. Let's leave that sec x alone. So if I multiply this, what do I get? Sin square x over what? Over cos x plus what? Cos x, right? What's the LCM? Cos x, isn't it? So cos x in cos x, 1 times sin square x plus this over 1. 1 in cos x and cos x, cos square x. And we know the first identity in trigonometry is what? Except those basic, is what? Sin square x plus what? Using the unit circle. So this guy gives us what? And what's 1 over cos x? Sec x. Are we together? Like I said, this first three you will enjoy it. There's nothing there. So that's the first tool for tonight. And I hope it's clear to everyone. Yes. I hope you are following those who are watching online. So if you are not following, that's your own cup of tea. Can I clean the body? Now let me give some parents, let me give them 1 minute to write that. Or 10 seconds. If there's anything that's not clear to you, please just and as a matter of fact, we are here to learn together. There are things that you will even teach me tonight. So let's move on. Now, so the second question says, can I clean this? We are done, right? The second question says 1 over tan x plus tan x equals to 1 over sin x cos x. I know 1 over tan x is what? Cos x, right? And we can write cos x as what? Cos x over what? Sin x. We know sin over cosine is tan. Since inverse of tan is cos, so the inverse of sin over cos is cos over sin. So this is cos plus what? Sin x over what? You know, this is the same thing as tan, isn't it? And 1 over tan will be the inverse of this, which is cos x will go up. So let's leave this aside. Equals to, I'm not touching this, so I just want to interpret this guy. What's the LCM? Sin x cos x. Sin x is sin x cos x. Cos x multiply by cos x cos square x. This in this sin x. This is not even question itself. It's like I don't even notice. This equals to 1 abi? Sin x cos what? And that's equivalent to this. That's that. Like I said, all this one, I will give you number 4 to try. When I solve number 3, I'll just give you like 2 minutes to do that before I proceed. Now, for number 3, we have sin x minus sin x cos square x equals to sin cube x. Now, so yeah, but for the question, they have something in common, the left side, isn't it? Yes. What do they have in common? So we bring out sin x, What do you have left here? Here you have what? Cos square what? Cos square x. And we all know that 1 minus cos square x equals to what? So this gives us sin x multiplied by what? And that's what? Sin cube x. How do we obtain this? Is from that sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So here we have sin square x equals to 1 minus cos square x. So that's why we could replace this with sin square x. So okay, right. Now can we clean all this ABCD now? Can we? The next one is the EFGA chart. That one is the same. Number 4. Where is it? Yeah. It's not hard. Will you guys try it by yourself? Let me write 4 and 5. So here we have cos alpha divided by 1 plus sin alpha plus 1 plus sin alpha divided by cos alpha equals to 2 tan z alpha is x that is here. And no problem, let me just change it to alpha then. It's actually x that is there, but there's no whether alpha or x, it's everything. Now we have the question is okay. What's the LCM? 1 plus sin alpha, right? Multiplied by what? Cos alpha, isn't it? This in this, what do we have? Cos alpha, right? Times cos alpha, cos square alpha, plus this in this, what do we have? This, right? Multiply by this. We have 1 plus what? Sin alpha all what? All square. Sorry, let me check that first. Let me to open your. Let me just confirm. Okay, that's it. Let's move on. So we have cos square alpha plus 1 plus sin alpha all into square. So here, what's the next thing to do here now? Let's expand first. Let's see what's going to happen. So here we have cos square alpha. If we expand this, what do we have? If we expand this guy, what do we have? 1 plus 2 sin alpha plus what? Sin square alpha divided by what? Divided by 1 plus sin alpha cos alpha, isn't it? So here we have cos square alpha. Join this to it because they have an identity, isn't it? Sin square alpha plus what? 1 plus 2 sin alpha all over what? 1 plus what? Sin alpha cos what? You know this guy equals to 1, isn't it? So here we have 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin alpha divided by what? 1 plus sin alpha cos what? Cos alpha. 1 plus 1 is what? We have 2 plus what? 2 sin alpha divided by what? 1 plus sin alpha cos alpha. This is where we are going to. We surely get there. Coming. What's the next thing we can do there? So let's factor out 2, right, from the numerator. So if you bring out 2, what do we have? 1 plus what? Sin alpha divided by what? 1 plus sin alpha what? Cos alpha. So this cancels this, isn't it? Oh, what's happening? Something is missing. You shouldn't. So here now we'll be getting sec, not tan. Let me confirm the question. Sorry for that. Please let me read the question. Is that the question? We have okay, sorry. We are the question is sec. Is sec. So it's correct. So this cancel this out. We have 2 divided by what? Cos alpha. And that's 2 times 1 over. And what's 1 over cos alpha? So it's correct. So that's that. Now the next one. So the next one you are going to try it yourself before we move to number 6. Just have fun with it. Cos x divided by 1 minus sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x equals to 2 times x. I think it's this one that I missed in the first one. So let's try this, guys. Let's try it. Let me check whether these guys are following. Are we following? Go and tell them on the group that we have already started so that every other people can join us. Who is done? The fact that your exam is not DLC, we can't still say yet. But whatever it is, prepare for everything. Prepare for theory, prepare for German, prepare for OBJ. So it can be anything. I think they have done non-DLC exam before and it was OBJ, so anything can happen. Whether DLC or not, it will still be OBJ, but just prepare for everything. The fact that it's not DLC, there's a tendency that it's not going to be OBJ. And the fact that there were times they did OBJ even when there was no DLC. So just prepare for everything. Be theory, German, or OBJ. But pray for OBJ, but prepare for everything. Are we done? It's equal, are we? Wow. Well, these are still basic. So here we have, let's try it. What do we have here? So let's say 1 minus sin x, right? 1 plus what? This in this, right? Multiply by this, we have cos x into what? 1 plus sin x minus this in this, we have this left. So we have what? Cos x into what? 1 minus sin x equals to, let's open the bracket for the numerator. Cos x times 1 times sin x, sin x cos x, any other way, times 3 is 3 times 2. Minus cos x times 1. Cos x times minus sin x minus, okay, sorry. Plus, yeah. If I want to use minus, I will have to put the bracket back. Plus sin x, right? Yes. Divided by what? 1 minus sin x, 1 plus sin x. So yeah, this cancels this, isn't it? Yeah. So we have sin x cos x plus sin x cos x, which give us what? 2 sin x cos x divided by, if we should open the bracket, we are going to get 1 square minus what? Sin square x, isn't it? You can 1 times 1 square, 1 times sin x we cancel, minus sin x times 1. So we have minus sin x times sin x will give us minus sin square x, right? So here we have 2 sin x cos x is what? 2 sin That even do. Okay, let's leave that. There's no problem. Since these are targets. So there's an identity that says this guy is equal to sine 2 theta, but we don't need that here. So let's still leave that for now. 2 sine x cos x divided by 1 square is 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
This guy is saying as what? Cos square x. So yes, this one cancel one abi. So we have 2 what? No, sin x over cos x is tan x. This is, we have 2 at the numerator multiplied by sin x over what? No, 1 cos x has already left from the denominator. And this guy equals to tan x. So we have 2 tan x according to the question. I hope that's clear. Is it clear? It's clear now. I hope it's clear. Let's try number 6, like you guys. We have not started the UI question. Well, can we say, but these are simple questions actually. So if you see a question like this next one, you should know that you should leave the left hand side alone and focus on the right hand side. Yeah. Yeah, let's try that before. Yeah, that should be the question. Let's try that before we move to the next. Before I do the solution, just here now you are preparing for exam. This is not when we first resume that you will just have to be solving everything. You are preparing for exam. So assuming tomorrow is your exam, you see this question, you have to do what you should have done. Who is done? That man leak. Who is done? Don't sleep, oh. I decided to do 1 or 2 alone today. But thank God this is still these house concerns have something to do with me. At least one of us them who are online they will benefit. I hope we are following. Those who are online. Or we've slept. I hope we understand, Abby. Hope everything is clear. No one have any question. Is everything clear? Okay, all right. Are we done?
Yes, sir.
And we got it. That's a big one. So to focus on this one. Yeah. You know, the thing is that it looks like you know why you have to focus on the bigger part is because this one is for you to begin to transform this guy to look like this guy is kind of, and as you begin to transform this, it's giving you different identity, becoming more. What do you want to even turn this? So the first thing to write is 1 minus sine square. So begin to look for something that is equal to sine square. So you begin to, so whenever I see something like this, the bigger part that is always needed to be transformed. So we have cosec. What's cosec? 1 over sine, right? 1 over sine x multiplied by what? Cos x divided by tan is what? Sine x over cos. See, if you are saying tan, cos, cosec, secant, and those are some questions you can just leave them alone, depend on what you want to do. For most cases, first transform them to sine and cosine. Are we together? So tan that sine x over what? Cos x plus what? Cos x divided by what? Sine x, right? So here we have what? 1 over, okay, let me put it this way. Cos x divided by sine x for the numerator. Now, let's find the LCM of this denominator. What is the LCM? Sine x cos x, abi? This in this times sine x sine square x plus this in this times cos x cos square x. So this guy give us what? Cos x over what? Sine x divided by what? 1. You know this is identity for 1. Sine square x plus cos square x divided by what? Sine x cos x, right? So at the end of the day, what do we get? We get cos x over sine x divided by this, which change to multiply by what? Sine x cos x. So this guy cancels this guy. What do we have at the end of the day? Cos square x. Is that clear? So let's do that now if you are here to solve it so that we can move to the next question. We're also going to solve this. So even those who are watching online, as I'm giving them classwork here, be solving it. It's not just for you to be watching video and can I clean the board? In 1 minute. Wonderful question. You know, this next one is very simple, but it's part of what UI can do. Like a simple question that will be written, you know, to look very bogus. Is it bogus they call it? Whether my English is correct or not. But it's just very, very simple. But as you are saying it, look as if the world wants to fall. No, you seeing first power that like you go have started, but there is nothing there actually. Just like that your assignment. Even me, when I saw the assignment, I first vexed. Like as how now, at least I even said it to understand that even 200 level cannot solve this. But actually the assignment, the only one that is hard there is this one. Integral 4th of tan x. Others, that number 1, number 2 is their basic question actually. It's just the structure that will make you fail. Oh yeah, let's solve this. Sorry. Now to show that this guy was to 1. I'm even ashamed to give something like this because it's very simple. Yes, now. Who is done? It's not hard. I think if time permits, we are solving about 30 questions, so we are still going to meet something on the way. But we just have to start from scratch. That okay, as you are going, so then you are getting more familiar to what you are doing. Not that you just jump to complex questions directly. So you can factor out square from the numerator. We have sine square x, right? All square, isn't it? Minus what? Cos square x all square divided by what? Sine square x minus what? I know this look like different of 2 square. Like a square minus b square, which is what? A minus b multiplied by what? So that's what we want to do here. Our A now is sine square x. Sine square x minus cos square x multiplied by what? Sine square x plus what? Are we clear with that? A square minus b square equals to A minus b multiplied by A plus b. Difference of 2 squares. Divided by what? Sine square x minus what? So this cancels this, isn't it?
Yes.
What is this guy? 1. So I said, okay. So that's just it. So some things are not hard, but while looking at them makes them hard. I hope
the camera will clear lọ́dọ̀ yìí báyìí.
if I should hone my
Ilé tí mi tiẹ̀, ó yẹ kí n ṣí báàkì fóònù mi báyìí kí fóònù má lọ máa gbóná lè. Let me see if this will be better. Somebody is saying camera is not clear. This is even making things worse. Who got lost at number 4? You sabi. You guys will have to manage it like that, Jerry. Or yeah, I think this closer the board will be. It's clear now.
increase the brightness of your phone. So the next one, can I clean the board? So the next one we have to show that tan square x divided by tan square x plus 1 equals to sin square x. Let's try it. Tan square x divided by tan square x plus 1 equals to sin square x. Let me write the next one. Also have 1, that's number 9. 1 minus sin x divided by cos x equals to cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. You barely looking at this question now, you are like, which one should I? But I think for a question like this, you can actually break anyone. But let me see what. Okay, let me just try to make it. 1 minus 2 cos square x. 1 minus 2 cos square x equals to tan square. Just solve this one alone. We are still coming tan square x minus 1 divided by tan square x plus 1. Let me add one more. Number 11. Tan square theta equals to CSC square theta tan square theta minus 1. So let's have fun with these 4 questions for now.
Okay, all right. Thank God it's not clear.
So let's have fun with these 4 questions for now. Solution. Who has torchlight? Like lamp. Like a lamp. Not torch, rather, a lamp. Are we done with that first one? So this says tan square x equals to what? Over what? Sin square x divided by what? Cos square x, right? Everything over sin square x divided by what? cos square x plus what? 1. Right? So at the end of the day, what do we get? For me, I think, okay, there's no should I? Okay. So here we get sine square x divided by what? Cos square x. Everything over. What's the SM of the denominator? Cos square x. Cos square x in cos square x. 1 times sine square x. This over 1. 1 in cos square x times 1. Cos square x. So this guy gives us sine square x divided by what? Cos square x divided by 1 over, Abi? No, this is divided by 1 over what? Cos square x. So that gives us sine square x divided by what? Cos square x multiplied by what? Cos square x. So this cancels. So we have sine square x left. We are coming. By God's grace, we are getting there. So equals to sine square x. Let's try number 9. Let's try number 9. Let's try number 9. Pick anyone you think. If I've seen this question, probably I decided to pick this or this. But we are going to see which one will be more better. We might solve the two. Try to break down the two and see what's going to happen. If I just come in, Bello, in late summer. This is like UI question, like standard question actually. Are we done? Somebody said let me add. We are done with this one. But we are done with that one now. What's that number? So let me add. Set x plus tan x equals to cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. Now for this particular question, well, actually, if you have not done it before, you may be considering. Don't mind me, guys. What is that right there? Please state it again.
1 minus 2 cos square.
1 minus cos square.
2 cos square. 2 cos square.
Multiply by 2.
2 is there. 1 minus 2 cos square.
Okay, 1 minus 2 cos square x equals to
tan square x
tan square x
minus 1
minus 1 over
tan square x
tan square x
plus 1.
plus 1. So, really looking at this, you feel like, should I pick the second part or the first part? But number one, there are some questions that depends on the fact, on your knowledge, on your brilliancy. Some depends on your intelligence. Okay, now let's check the right side. If you are to pick the right side, what do you want to do? You are not finding LCM now. There is nothing like I want to find LCM. So, but I think we should be able to use any side. Let's check. It's what I'm saying. Now for the left side, we have 1 minus sin x divided by what? Cos x. Now, how can we make it to look like this? This guy is saying as 1 minus sin x divided by cos x multiplied by 1, have we? And I can change 1 to 1 plus sin x over what? 1 plus sin x. So this is 1, isn't it? Now, these two now, they're like different of 2 squares. The numerator, which should give me 1 square minus what? Sin square what? X, right? Divided by what? Cos x multiplied by what? Let me write it here. The numerator now is different of 2 square, which is 1 square minus what? Sin square x, isn't it? Divided by cos x multiplied by what? 1 plus what?
Sin
I know 1 minus sin square x is what?
cos square
Cos square x divided by what?
cos x
Cos x multiplied by what? 1 plus sin x, right? So one of these cancel this. So what do we have left?
cos x
Cos x divided by what?
1 plus sin x
1 plus sin x. So this one I need to bring in manipulation. Now let's check, let's use the right hand side instead of, let's write this way before I think the board. I hope you understand. So I'm also going to try the right hand side, whether there's a way we can manipulate. For this one now, there is no identity you want to bring in the first place to make them equal. You have to manipulate. Our manipulation is based on multiplying by 1, which can be written as this guy. We are bringing in 1 plus sin x because we have an identity for it on the right hand side. Like we have it to be on the right hand side. And this give you difference of 2 square. There was something we cancel out at the end of the day that we only have this guy left, which you have done. That's the story actually. So let's try that. Let's check the other side and see if we can also make this guy to be equal to this guy. But I think we can actually. Can we?
yes
It's not hard. So can I clean this guy? So let's say, so with this one I've done myself now, you should be able to do this. Like using this instead of this. You should. So using this, what will you do? You multiply by 1 minus sin x over 1 minus sin x. So here now you have cos x divided by 1 minus sin x multiplied by 1 minus sin x 1 minus what? Equals what? Cos x multiplied by what? 1 minus sin x divided by what?
1 plus sin x
This is plus, sorry. So this also different of 2 square. We have 1 minus what? Sin square x, isn't it? So here we have and this is same thing as cos square x, right? So we want to write something. Cos square x. So this cancels this. So what do you have left? 1 minus sin x divided by what? Cos x. That's number 9. You should be able to finish all the questions like that. But I don't want to. What's time now? 11:27. Maximum 20:30. I'm moving to calculus. By God's grace. So can I clean the board? Let's put that down. I hope we are following. See this one. Well, you are watching this thing online. You are still asking where is TDB taking place. Tell àwọn ilé gan sef. Joy. Joy, you are watching now. You are still asking where is it taking place. Oh, you mean physically? You want to come physically? It's already late, abeg, don't come. So let's clean this. So yeah, okay, let's try this. Who already tried this? We have 1 minus. Okay, which side do you think will be better to transform? The right? Because it contains cosine. So tan square x can be written as what? Sin x over cos x all square minus 1. Whether we put the square inside, there's no problem. Over what? Sin x minus what? Over cos x all square plus 1. Right? All square plus 1. Okay. Let me remove my bracket. Sin square x over cos square x, isn't it?
Yes.
Sin square x over cos square x. Sin square x over cos square x. So now let's find the LCM of both the numerator and the denominator. What's the LCM? Cos square x. I think that should be the next step. Cos square x in cos square x 1 times sin square x. Sin square x minus what? This R over 1, have it?
Yeah.
So in cos square x times 1 cos square x. Everything divided by what? What's the SM of the denominator? Cos square x. This gives us what? Sin square x plus what? Cos square what? X. So at the end of the day, we are going to have sin square x minus cos. This will cancel. But do I need to write it for you to see how it cancels? This is 100 level. We have a over b divided by c over b. B cancel each other. Just like a over b divided by c over b, which is now times b over c. So this cos square x cancel this cos square x. Are we together? So here we have sin square x minus cos square x over what? Over 1. No, sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So this one already cancel this, which I've explained using this idea. I hope you're all clear with that. And sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So this gives us. So at the end of the day, what do we have? We have sin square. So this is what we are looking at now. So here we have sin square x minus what? Cos square x. Let's forget about this one since you already know that. So how do we transform that to that? Come, let me remember. Even before I do that, I just want to bring in one thing that may not be. We can do this directly, but let me just remind us. I hope you remember this formula that says sin identity rather sin 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equals what? Sin square theta minus what? Cos square theta. Do we remember? Sin theta minus cos theta plus theta. So if it is this like theta plus theta, so the identity is derived from cos A plus B, which gives us sin A sin B minus cos A sin B. But if you are given 2 theta, instead of A plus B, we change the 2 theta to theta plus theta. So instead of sin A sin B, we now have sin theta minus cos A cos B. Now be cos theta cos theta, since our A and B is theta. So now with this sin square x minus cos square x, I can replace it with what? Cos what? Cos 2x. And okay, I don't even need this one. Don't worry. I don't need this one because for me to transform this back to this, I'll be bringing another identity. So let's forget it. But at least for those who don't know that before, it's no need. So what are we going to do here? Yeah, for this to work. Okay, still that one, are we? But I think there's. I'm coming. I will look at it, but I think there is something I can do. Okay, yeah. Sin square theta equals to what? 1 minus cos square theta. Are we? X, we are dealing with x. I hope you remember. This is our sin square x, which is same as 1 minus cos square x minus what? Cos square x. So here we have 1 minus cos x. I don't even need to put brackets so that I can see it very well. Minus cos square x minus 2 cos square. We can actually use that too, but I think this will be faster. Yeah, I hope it's clear. No, sin square x is 1 minus cos square x, and we also have minus cos square x. So minus cos square x minus cos square x, we have minus 3 cos square x. So for this one too, let's try that. Let's try that before I clean the board. I hope we are following. I hope you can see the board. I hope it's clear. So the next one, we are on number 11. We are getting there. So the next one let's transform this guy. So we have cosec square theta multiplied by tan square theta, which is same as what? Sin square theta over what? Cos square theta minus 1. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Should I cancel like that? Let me not cancel because wait, okay. I think I should be able to cancel. Okay, let's cancel. I think this will go, Abby.
Yeah.
So here we have what left? 1 over what? Cos square theta minus what?
-1.
Minus 1. Let's find the LCM. So the LCM is what?
Cos square theta.
Cos square theta. So this will give us 1 minus what?
Cos square theta.
No, cos square theta and cos square theta 1 times 1 minus this 1 in cos square theta times 1 we have. So what is even this one? 1 minus cos square theta is what?
Sin square theta.
Is it question I'm giving you since? We have cos square theta and this is what?
Cos theta.
And you are happy, okay? This one will not come out though. But okay, there it will come out. Yeah, I cannot give you this. It's you I know. Igbo is not that dumb. It's not possible. Igbo cannot give you, no, never. Igbo cannot give you this question. The one we have been doing since the one you might still give you this one. This is the only question we have done since that. All those others, you are. So I'm just doing it because we actually have a lot of questions. Question number 9. Yes, you can cross multiply. Yeah. But you won't be doing what they are asking you to do. No, if you cross multiply, you are changing the question already. Because if you cross multiply, what you are doing now is this will now give you cos square x equals to, this is like difference of 2 square. 1 minus what? They are actually equal, which is, but if it is OBJ, you can actually do that and just pick your answer like it's true. You do get something like that. But if you are writing this is not what they need actually. What they need is pick one, show how it is equal to the other. I hope we are clear with that. So that's that for that. So which one are we solving next? This one, are we? Let's try it before I do the solution. Let's try. We are enjoying the class, but I pray that we will enjoy it to the end. Because when we get to integration like this, when eyes will start closing. Vowels will start shutting down. Enjoyment will start to be diminished. Solution. Somebody is done. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
So sec is 1 over cos, have you? Tan is what? Sin over cos, have you?
Yes.
Okay, sine. So okay, which one do you think we should touch? This or this?
This. Right hand side.
Okay, so that's what I just look at. Should be able to touch any. For this person, I think we can touch any, but the one that will be much more faster. Okay, let's see what focus on this one. I will do both. Let's see what can happen. Let's see what will happen. What's the LCM? Cos x, have we? So here we have 1 plus what? Sin x over what? Just like that question we did earlier. Huh? The earlier question we did. 1 plus sin x. If you want to change it to this, what do you do? Times 1 minus sin x, Abby, over 1 minus what? Sin x. This one gives difference of 2 squares, which is 1 minus what? Divided, which is same as cos square x, Abby.
Yes.
This is 1 times 1 times minus sin x will cancel sin x times 1. Sin x times minus sin x times square x. 1 minus sin square x is what? Cos square x over what? Cos x was multiplied by what? 1 minus sin x, right? This one cancel 1. What do you have left? Cos x over 1 minus sin x, which is equal. I hope that's clear. Share the question now. Okay, I should read this. Yeah, we still use this. I hope that's clear now. Let's turn the left to this guy. So here we have cos x divided by 1 minus what? For this one, what are we going to do? Can I clean the board? Can I clean this guy? We have this left. Somebody is signing me. Okay. How I get it? Share this part alone. This what's the LCM? Cos x. Cos x in cos x 1 times 1. Cos x in cos x 1 times sin x sin x. And so I multiply by, this is just 1. So here we have cos x divided by what? 1 minus what? Sin x. Even this thing that we are doing, it is integration that you find it more integration. Even there are some simple tricks in integration that we should just do. But because you are not familiar with those things, you won't even remember. It has happened to me before. So here we have cos x over 1 minus sin x. So let's multiply by the conjugate of the denominator and see what's going to happen. As if we are rationalizing. So multiply by what? 1 plus sin x, have you? Over what? 1 plus sin x. Let's see. So this one will give us. It's multiplication. So here we have cos x multiply by. Let's just try it. If it doesn't work, I know what to do next. So here we have 1 minus what? Sin square x, have it? And where are we going to? Okay, there is no. Okay, so here we have cos x multiplied by 1 plus sin x divided by what?
Cos square x. Yes.
Okay, let's put cos square x. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, we should not. So here we have
1 plus sin x over cos x.
I'm thinking of opening the bracket first. Let's open the bracket. If you open the bracket, we get what? Cos x plus what? Sin x cos x, have you? Divided by what? Cos square x. Is that clear?
Yes.
So here we have, so if you have a plus b over c, the same thing as a over c. If you have a plus b over c is equal to a over c plus b over c, have you?
Yes.
So this guy gives us what?
Cos
X over cos square x plus what? Sin x cos x divided by what? Cos square x. So yeah, one of these cos we cancel this. What do you have left here? 1 over cos x, have you? This we cancel, and what do you have left there? Sin x over what? What's 1 over cos x? What's this? Sin x. I hope that's clear. So the next one, okay, let me write it. So there are different things you can actually do. You just know a lot of primary identity in your head, so you can even if your test is German, at least you have sheet of paper to solve, so you can just try many things. There were times that during our exam there was this particular question I solve. I did not get what I was doing. So I now brought the one I knew before that was similar to it. So I first solved that one I knew before. Like, it's not the exam question. I first solved it inside my working sheet. So I was now using it, okay, like this to solve that one, like this to solve that one. So you can actually bring in your idea. Anything that comes to your head that are valid, just test them. But as you are doing so, you're checking your time. So the next one, I can clean this guy, right? So the next one is show that cosec. There's a question an MBBS student gave me. Not this. been a while, sha. If I should remember that question now, I think it's from past question. So those are the questions I'm looking for. Tan beta, cosec, sine, cot, tan. Oh yeah, show that is equals to 1 class of. Show that is equals to 1 before I do the solution. Those who are following online, you to be doing the class work. At least have your paper and your pen by your side. Don't just be watching video. I hope we are also solving. Those who are watching on YouTube, I hope we are solving. All right, good. Is it equal?
Yes, sir.
Cosec. Cosec is what? 1 over sine beta, isn't it? Divided by what? Sine beta, right? So minus what is cot?
Cos beta over
That's
beta.
cos beta over what? Sine beta divided by what?
Sine beta.
Sine beta over what? Cos what? Beta. So here we have 1 over what? Sine squared beta, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
1 over a equals to 1 over a times a. So it depends if this one are together. We get if it is 1 divided by a over a and these two are together, it's not equal to this. This one is this 1, this a over a. Are we together? Or this one is even 1 already. So they are different. Depends on since these two are together. So it's 1 over, it's just 1 over sine beta divided by sine beta. That's times 1 over sine beta. It's 1 over sine square beta. So here we have minus cos beta divided by what?
Sine square beta.
Sine, let me even write it out. Over sine beta multiplied by cos, have over sine. No, it's divided by sine over cos, but multiplied by cos over sine. Okay. So here we have 1 over what? Sine square beta minus what? Cos square beta divided by what? Sine square what? Beta. So what do we do? LCM, isn't it? So what's the LCM?
Sine square beta.
Sine square what? Beta. So here we have 1 minus what?
Cos square.
Cos square what? What's 1 minus cos square beta? Sine square beta over what? This sine square beta, and that's what? That's 1. So that's it. So that's that for that. She wants to talk to me.
Give me your.
Share this one. This is cosec itself. These are together. So this is 1 over sine beta divided by sine beta, which then has multiplied by 1 over sine beta. No, this one are together. You are doing this division first before this. Because all this one together is cosec. So you are saying 1 over sine beta divided by sine beta. So if this one is changing to multiplication, then this will change to reciprocal. Then you have 1 over sine square theta. So the next question, let's have fun with this as well. Can I clean the board? So yeah, show that this question is just have fun with this. There's nothing there. Show that sine fourth power of x, sine x to the power of 4 minus cos x to the power of 4 equals to 1 minus 2 cos square x. We fast with that. I may not even do solution to that one. So we've not done, but it's similar. That one has. But I don't think I'll do solution to that one. There's nothing there. Just have fun. I even thought. I've not gone through every question. I even thought as I'm going, it's becoming harder. This one is not hard to come. Let's try this. Sin x minus cos x all into square plus sin x plus cos x all into square equals to 2. You know what I'm saying, sir? You open the brackets, you already done. The way I'm looking at it. So I hope we are done with this. This gives sin square x all square minus what? Cos square x all what? Which is equals to, this is different of 2 square, right? Which is sin square x minus what? Cos square x multiplied by what? Do I even need to? Yeah. Multiplied by what? Sin square x plus what? Cos square x. I will know this guy is equals to 1, have you? Right? If you multiply this 1 times this, what do you see here? Sin square x minus what? Cos square x, right? And what is sin square x? Sin square is same as 1 minus what? Cos square x minus cos square x that is there before. So here we are 1 minus cos square x minus cos square x. 2 cos square what? Cos square x. So we are try the second one. We are done with that first. Try the second one. Where's this paper? So this one, to just open the bracket, you are done. There is nothing there actually. You can do this. So if we are to open the bracket, we are going to get sin square x minus 2 sin x cos x, isn't it? Plus what? Cos square x. A minus b square will give a square minus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? So just use that. Plus what? This will give a square, like a plus b square, that's a square plus 2ab plus b square, abi? So this cancel this, isn't it?
Yes.
So here we have sin square x plus sin square x, that's 2 sin square x. Cos square x plus cos square x, that's what? 2 cos square x, right? So what is common to them? 2. Factor out 2. What do you have? Sin square x plus what? Cos square x. And what is this guy? 2 multiplied by 1 equals what? Wow. We have only done just 1 year question since. So let's see, because all these ones are just basic. Okay, I think the next one is kind of interesting. Yeah, let's try the next one. Class. Yeah. So here we have okay, let's try this one now. Sin square x plus 4 sin x plus 3 divided by cos square x equals to 3 plus equals to 3 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. We are sure that those two are equal. Let's try this. There are some tricks you used to do that I'm trying to remember. Maybe when we are done with the first part. We have 18 questions on the first part and this is number 14. I think the second part should be kind of technical. Are we done? Okay. Yeah, let's show it. Let's show it. Are we following? YouTube, those who are watching on YouTube. If you are watching and you are here to subscribe to my channel, better subscribe and before I pursue you. Are we done? It's equal. And if you are here, so you have not subscribed to my YouTube, better subscribe. Are we done? Solution. Yeah, a minute more. It's actually a basic question. It's not hard. No, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. But trust me, if I see this in my land, then fear will first enter me. That was good. You're seeing a number. You know, the thing is that we have a number. Number have done a lot on us such that maybe we have something like integrate maybe 1 over cos x. It feels simple, but the moment they add plus 1, there's a problem already. So whenever you are all they add plus 2 or plus 3, it's a big problem. It's a big problem already. So normally, not seeing plus 3, you are like, I like to shell up, but there is nothing there. In those things, we don't like seeing number standing alone in trig or integration. There are problems. But for this question, it's not a problem. So what do? Turn it to like factorize. So here we can say this is equals to what? Sin x plus 1 multiplied by sin x plus 3. Isn't it? Yeah. But if you think like you should, I'm jumping too fast, maybe that's not what we should have done. It's too fast, bro. So let's just use quadratic. You see that we are coming back here. So let's assume here we have x squared plus 4x plus 3. Are we together? Yes. Assume that our x is sin x. Sin square x squared if x is sin x. Do we get what I'm doing now? Yes. If our x equals, okay, let me use another factor. Let me use y. No. I just want to do what we are familiar with. So like if y equals to sin x, if you say y equals to sin x, then that means this is y squared. 4y, I mean, plus 3. Now we can factorize this, isn't it? Yeah. What are the two things you multiply that gives 3 if you had this 4? 1 and 3. So you have 1 squared plus what? 3y plus y, I mean, plus 3. So here we have y into what? Y plus 3 plus 1, y plus what? 3. So here we have y plus 1, right? Y plus 3. And what's our y? So we have sin x plus 1 and what? Sin x plus 3. That's what I wrote earlier. So it's you open the bracket, we give the numerator back. So here we have what? Sin x plus 1 sin x plus what? 3 over what? Cos square what? Cos square x. So what are we doing next? What's the next thing now? Okay, I think we are going to touch the denominator. So what's that? Bello. Here we have sin x plus 1 multiplied by what? Sin x plus 3. Cos square x is same thing as what? 1 minus sin square x, isn't it? Yeah. I don't want to skip step. I should have written what I know. So here we have sine x plus 1, sine x plus 3. So this is like difference of 2 square, 1 square minus sine square x, which can be written as what? 1 minus sine x, 1 plus what? Sine x. 2 plus 1 is same as 1 plus 2. This cancels this, isn't it? Sine x plus 1 plus sine x. So what do we have? Sine x plus 3 is same as 3 plus sine x, right? Then 1 minus what? Sine x. I hope that's clear. Ah, you will know clear well. Where? It's clear now. You guys are already reducing. Oruntin Queen and Leo. Can I write the next question? I'm clearing the question, you know. Sorry. Sine square x plus 4 sine x plus 3 over cos square x. So the next question here, let's try this. All those people that used to snap, something that will not read it. The most useless picture in the whole world is snapping what they saw on the board. It's a lie. Okay, I've been there before. Let's see how far. You will not read it again. Better write. So here we have cos x divided by 1 minus sin x minus tan x equals to sec x. Show that cos x over 1 minus sin x minus tan x equals to sec x. Class of let's try that. I think it's getting more. It was complex there. Like it's getting more stuff. No, I've been doing their stuff less. Yeah, let's try that. I don't even know, down there might still look like those simple ones. Are we done?
No, sir.
We are done. Like with this. Okay. Let's try. Just try. Try your best. What's time now, Divan? 12:03. Okay. I think this is number 16. So I think there is 2 questions left. This is even number 17. There is 1 left before we move to part B. Part B is 19 questions. So I may not solve everything on part B. I just look at the advanced ones there. Then we solve. Then we move to part B. So with this guy we have cos x over what? 1 minus what? Sin x minus what? What's tan x? Sin x divided by what? Cos x, have you?
Yes.
The LCM is what? Cos x multiplied by what? 1 minus sin x. This in this, cos x times cos x. Minus what? Sin x into what? 1 minus sin x. Which gives us what? Cos square x minus sin x minus what? Okay. I won't do that. Let me leave that. Let me not do that. Let me do. Okay. Let's open the bracket. Cos square x minus what? Who is that? Sin x plus what? Sin square x, have it? Divided by what? Cos x multiply by what? 1 minus what? Sin x. Isn't it? Okay. Are we following? This is cos square x plus sin square, which is 1, abi? Isn't it? So that's that numerator we have minus sin x alone plus 1. Am I right? Are we together? Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Divided by, so I can change it. Okay, don't worry. Cos x into 1 minus what? Sin x. So this is same thing as 1 minus sin x, isn't it? Minus 2 minus plus 1 is 1 minus 2. Over what? Cos x into what? 1 minus what? Sin x. This cancels this. So we have 1 over cos x, which is what? Sec x. So the last question. The last question. Sorry. The last question we have tan square x plus 1 plus tan x sec x equals to 1 plus sin x divided by what? Cos square x. So let's try this guy. Let's try. This is the last question under part A. Then we move to part B. So this is cos square x. If you bring this to this cos square x plus sin square, you know it's 1. You are doing bro doing ẹ wá kọrin fún wa ṣé ẹ̀yin dùn sí oye tó. Are we done?
Yes, sir.
And they are equal, are we?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's do the solution. Since I resume 100 level, you take the tablets and like I don't have anything. So solution. So tan square x can be written as what?
Sin square x over
Sin square x over what? No, what we are doing since we are still playing around sine and cosine. Plus what? Plus sin x over cos x, right? Multiply by 1 over what? Cos x, isn't it? So here we have sin square x over what? Cos square x plus 1 plus sin x divided by what? Cos square x, isn't it? So let's first find the LCM of this part, which is what? Cos square x, right? So this gives us what? Sin square x plus what? Cos square x plus what? Sin x over what? Cos square x. So this one gives us 1 over what? Cos square x plus what? Sin x over what? Cos square x. You are done already. So what's the LCM? Cos square x, and this gives us 1 plus sin x. Let me see if the part is we have. Let me test one of those questions in part. Let's see. Can I write? Let's see if there are questions. Once you do like 4 and they still look so simple, I was going to look for good questions before we round up trigonometry. You will know the lady and move back. I'm looking at everything. I don't want to write anyone at the end of the day. Okay. Let's check if this one is kind of. Let's check this. 1 plus sine x over 1 minus sine x minus 1 minus sine x over 1 plus sine x equals to 4 tan x sec x equals to 4 tan x sec x. We have to go on. Oh, yes, do it now, do it. I pray these people will not have lucky today because my data will soon go like this. Can I clean the board? Let me go check. I'm going to send the. Are we done? Some people are like, some people are happy now. Shame not no more tricky, right? I have not done anything. I still here. I have not done anything. No. These are still, they are still romancing 102 for now. By the time it starts romancing us, all these questions already romancing us. We are done now.
Yes, sir.
There is nothing there. What's the LCM? Cos square x. If I write this, should you be surprised? Okay, yes. This is different of 2 square, which is 1 minus sine square, which is cos square x. So, but I'm not going to write that. I'm just saying there are some things that as under level there we can just jump. But I just need to let's just write that. So here we have 1 minus sine x multiplied by 1 plus sine x. This in this times this 1 plus sine x all what? Square. This in this times this 1 minus sine x all square equals to, let's open the bracket. They are not questions. Truth be told. If you open the bracket, we have 1 plus what? 2 sine x, right? Plus sine square x minus what?
Minus
1 plus 2 sine x minus sine square x. No, I already used minus to multiply the bracket. If I put bracket, this will be minus, this will be plus. If I now use this minus to multiply the, just write it in your notes, you see what I'm talking about. This cancel this cancel this. So here we have what? 4 sine x, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Divided by what? So this is different of 2 squares.
Yeah.
Which will give us what? cos square x. Wait. No, it's 1 minus sine square, which is cos square x. So here we have 4 sine x divided by cos x multiplied by 1 over what? Cos x. Am I right?
Yes.
So this guy give us what? 4 sine x over cos x tan x. This give us what? Sec x. So that's that for that. There's no question in this place. Oh no, there's no question. Let me still try 3 more and see if some will be good. I'm not seeing good questions except that first that one that we manipulate. Okay, I think this should be good. I think I don't trust the question if it's going to be good. Let's try this. Let's try that. Let's see, let's try. This is the question. This one. This one. Cos minus 1 over cos plus 1 equals 1 minus tan over 1 plus tan. Which one do you even think you should touch? Is this now? But this one contains tan. So don't bother touching this guy. But I think you can touch anyone, Sha. Touch anyone touchable. In fact, touching the right side is even fast. Can touch anyone. Can touch the right side is even fast. But I've not checked the left. But the right one. Either of the two self. Either of the two you get the answer. Like almost nothing more than 2-3 lines. Either of the two you get the answer. Adam. No. So I decided to touch this one first. So this is 1 tan x is same as what? 1 over cos x, have you?
Yes.
No, cos and tan, they are inverse of each, they are reciprocal of each other. So here we have 1 over what? Cos x divided by what? 1 plus what? 1 over what? Cos x. What's the LCM of the numerator? Cos x. So this will give us what? Cos x minus 1, have you? Divided by what? Cos x. This will give us cos x plus what? These two will cancel. And that's already the left side. Shebo, you cancel it. Which one is do we get that? Yeah, now let's touch the left side. So here we have cos is what? 1 over what? Tan x minus 1 divided by what? 1 over what? Tan x plus 1. What's the LCM? Tan x. This one give us what? This one will give us 1 minus what? Tan x divided by what? The LCM of the denominator. Tan x. This one give us what? These two cancel. Then you have 1 minus tan x over 1 plus tan x. So whichever way, I'm kind of not liking what I'm solving. Let's There's nothing here. Let me find you. You are on that my group, Abi. Let me log into that. Let me check those questions I compiled. I think we get. Let's just do like 3 or 5 correct trigonometric. Oh, oh yeah, let's check this. I don't even think this one is hard now. Sine 2 theta. Prove the identity sine 2 theta over sine theta minus cos 2 theta over cos. It's not hard, but I love the fact that you are just starting something now. Equals to what? Sec theta. Yes, yes. We have about 3 questions here. After that, I think 4 or 5 or 6. But yeah, let's try that. Let's try that. This should be fun. Yeah. This should look like UI, but I can't see that yet. Oh, write something. Write something. There's an adage that says the faintest pen who can complete it. It's sharp. It's sharper than what? Than the fastest brain. Write something. You know yourself. Oh, hey. Write something down actually. Shall we? Are we done?
Sana.
This one look like you, have
Yes.
We have been solving uni ocean questions. Have you seen their exam question before? Oluwa. It's not even up to our test. I think both quantity and quality. It's not up to our, like, it's just, I can't go to that school. I will not know anything now. That's just, not that I won't know something, but that thing that should have been, held out of my life will still remain there. That potential will not come out. So those questions are just, even Ari or cannot give you that. Ari yourself, I don't even know the difference between my ego and ourselves. Like Mr. Rio is like is getting that ego energy. Can we solve? If they want to watch this video, they cannot watch it to this hour, so they will not hear what I'm saying. Oh yeah, are we done? So here we have sin theta over sin theta minus cos theta over cos theta. Who has gotten the answer? Thank God we found you a question. No, you guys have not gotten it. I'm afraid to solve it now. Make me say no go back. Ali Alpha. All the question is wrong, Gini. I don't know. I don't think I'll solve this before. Someone should help us. Before I solve it, I just want to know if it's correct. Someone should help us type it on whatever. Let's see if they are equal. I just want to know if they are equal, yes or no, before I do the solution. Someone should help us confirm if it's equal. Help us confirm. They are equal. Okay. Someone should help me to check whether on Gemini or GPT. I just want to check if they are equal. I actually gathered those questions and I've not solved it myself. If it's equal to this, just let me know so then we can see. Once they are equal, have we confirmed? Sin theta sin theta minus cos theta cos theta equals to sec theta. Show it, let's just see. Because you know it's another thing, solving what is not correct. So just keep on. So let's just confirm that first. It's correct, thank you. Is your brother in tech? You resemble someone in civil engineering. It's correct that it's sec theta. Thank God. Now yeah, let's move. Or someone there is still trying. What's the SCM? Sin theta cos theta, right? This in this we have what? Sin 2 theta cos what? Cos theta. This is just what came to my mind first. This may not even be what we want to do at the end of the day. But let's continue. That's why we are students. We have cos 2 theta what? Sin theta. I like writing sin first. Sin theta cos 2 theta. Sin cos, I love cosine, doesn't speak well in my ear. So do they have anything common? No. So let's do something. I'm coming, let's check. Let me bring in identity for this. We know sin 2 theta is something as sin theta plus theta, Abby, which is something as what? Sin theta cos theta plus what? Sin theta cos theta, isn't it? Which is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. So we transform this guy to what? 2 sin theta cos theta, right? Multiply by another what? Cos theta, right? Minus no cos 2 theta. This is sin theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to what? Cos square theta minus what? Is it cos first or sin? Cos first, Abby. So here we have multiply by what? Cos square theta minus what? Sin square what? Theta. Divided by what? Sin theta cos theta. Same like in this question. So here we have let me not clean the question so that you can get it. Now okay, now so here we have what? 2 sin theta cos square theta, right? Minus sin theta. What's an identity for this? I think it's 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Do we remember? No, it can also be 2 sin square theta minus 1. We are all familiar with that. Like if you replace this guy with 1 minus, sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. If you replace and open the bracket, you now have okay, let's do it. Here we have cos square theta minus what? 1 minus what? Cos square what? Theta. So here we have over what? Sin theta cos what? Cos theta. So here we have 2 sin theta cos square theta minus what? Sin theta into what? Cos square theta plus cos square theta. That's 2 cos square theta minus 1. You know we have been doing since. I think we are. Is it not 1 minus? The one we are doing since we are getting 1 minus. Isn't it? That means we are placing this one first. Okay. The one we are doing since we are right. The thing is that what we have is different from this. No, this is an identity. Like this one, this is where we go to. I mean, should I call it identity? Yeah, this is an identity for cos theta. But the one we have been solving since, it's not about identity. We arrive at sin square theta minus cos square theta. That's why it gave us 1 minus. So we are good to go. Let's. Okay, we are back. I hope. Hello, guys. I hope we are following. Okay. Okay, all right. Let's continue. So here we have I think it's so here we have 2 cos theta. So let's split this guy into 2 cos square theta over cos theta minus 1 over what? Cos theta. Right? God have mercy today.
Plus cos.
I'm coming. It's plus now.
Yeah.
No, these are together.
Yeah.
Are we? No, so and this minus is subtracting them. So minus times this you have this. Minus times minus 1 plus 1, are we? So yeah, cos theta cancel 1 of this. So we have 2 cos theta minus 2 cos theta left, which is 0. So we have 1 over cos theta, which is what? Sec theta. Is that clear? Yes, sir. It's not clear. Which aspect? Share the last part. Share this one. You can, but it will be more. And in the me, I cannot do. Is that what you did? You know the thing is that okay, let me show you. Let's try and do it. Though I'm not going to solve it, but I want to show you something. You now see that is going to be very complicated. Now, for you to change sec theta, the first thing to do is what? 1 over cos theta. Before you can turn this guy to this guy, then you have to be manipulating, adding value, whether you say okay, multiply by 1. And what is 1? You can say your 1 is sin 2 theta over sin 2 theta. Abi? Started doing magu. So here you have sin 2 theta over what? Cos theta sin theta. This one still cancel out. Like so, what like you keep on adding things that are necessary. Do you get now? So, but it's much more easier. Like even this one looks big, so you can break this thing down to expand this to give you something like this. So that's the idea. Now that's number 1 UI question. Let's do number 2 UI question. I hope we understand this question. Those who are watching online. I think they are coming back. So the second one, that I love what you just did. Like the first question, or the second question, I love. Says. So the next one now, you guys should try it. Prove the identity 1 plus sine 2x divided by 1 plus sine 2x minus plus cos 2x minus cos 2x minus cos 2x equals to cot x.
1 plus sine 2x plus cos 2x divided by 1. Okay, I think it's the marker. Don't worry, I will fill up the marker now. It will be clearer. Divided by 1 plus sine 2x minus cos 2x. Let's try that. Let's try that. Are we done? Somebody's done. 2 minutes more. Also help me to confirm. Is equal, abi? Yeah, I think the board is clearer now. It's clearer now. Can we see the board very clearly now? I think this is far better. Yeah. And Joy, can you see it now, Joy? Abi Joy ti sùn ni? What? Are we done? Okay, let me wait 1 more minute before I do the solution. So, as you are first solving this, I don't think I'll solve it before. It's part of the 150 questions that I sent to the group then. I just gather them. Well, I don't think it's hard. It shouldn't. Yeah. I want to end this class by 1. This class. And this is almost 10 minutes. And I feel like you still do 1 more. At least 3 questions that are standard. I have 1 here. Maybe I'll give you that one. I'll just write it on the board. I'll write. I'll just write 3 on the board. Next class, now I'll give you as assignment. So after this, I'll just write them. Shall we? We shall. All right. We have 1 plus what? Sine 2x. The same thing as what? Sine x. Let me check. Sine theta. Sine theta plus theta. Okay, sine x. That's 2 sine x cos x, have
Yes.
Yeah. 2 sine x cos x. Plus what?
cos square x minus what? Sin square x. Divided by what? 1 plus 2 sin x cos x minus what? Cos square x minus what? Sin square x into bracket. I place this on this. I place this. So here equals to, I want to split the numerator now on each denominator. But I think that should be the first thing I should have done. Now 1 plus what? 2 sin x cos x divided by what? 1 plus 2 sin x cos x minus what? Cos square x minus what? Sin square x, right? I need space. Let me write it down. Equals to 1 plus 2 sin x cos x divided by 1 plus 2 sin x cos x minus cos square x minus sin x equals to what? 1 again. 2 cos square x minus 1. So here we have 2 cos square x minus what? 1. Are we? Plus the other one, cos square x minus what? Sin square x divided by what? 1 plus what? 2 sin x cos x minus what? 2 cos square x minus what? Minus 1. So what's the way forward now? Let's see what's going to happen. I can also, let's see. Alright. If I split this on this, we are entering them now. Okay. Let me change this guy to what? 2 cos square x minus 1 of it. So let's see the next thing there. So we have similar 2 cos square x minus 1. Yeah. Yes. Back me similar. 1 over this. This over this. Plus this over this. Okay, I think we do manipulation instead. But before I proceed to manipulation, let me check very well if we can move forward from there. Okay. 1 plus 2 sin x cos x minus 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 2 cos square x. I'm trying to remember something. 1 plus 2 1 minus 1 plus 1